Welcome back to part 2 of vibrations in the Tacoma. We fixed all the stuff in the front and we drove it and it felt good. There was like a little bit of vibration that I thought I could live with, but it's been getting worse and now it's bothering me. So let's figure out what's going on with that. Okay, I kind of think it's this driveline. So you guys are gonna ride underneath the car for me and let me know what you see. Okay, I think you guys seen what I seen. Looks like that carrier bearing is smoked. Look at that puppy move. So I was reading up on this. I think I'm gonna have just a single one built and we're gonna delete the carrier. So instead of a 2-piece, we're gonna go to a 1-piece. So I'm gonna measure this out and get that ordered. Ordered the new driveline and it is here. Ordered it from that company. Get her open, see what she looks like. Just as I suspected, it looks like a driveline. Let's get this puppy in, see if that vibration goes. Okay, driveline's all in. This cross member right here where the carrier bearing is kind of a problem. But before I go hacking that out of there, let's take this thing for a drive and see if our vibrations are gone. If you just street drove every day, I don't think you'd contact this. But if you off-road, I think you're going to contact that. So let's go for a cruise, see if the vibration's gone, and if it is, we'll probably hack this cross member out of here. Vibrations are gone. 100%. I don't feel anything now. Let's cut that cross member out so we don't come into contact with it. go. I don't think that stuff will rattle around. It still holds the e-brake cables. That's gonna work.